Alright, I don't know if this is working, but we're gonna give it a try. Right. Okay, so I got this 4K little video camera here. Let's see what I can do with this baby here. It's pretty cool. I'm guessing I'm shaking a lot still, but that's all right. I need a gimbal to stop the shaking. I don't know how long my battery is gonna last. I'm thinking a couple hours. I got 2 big old batteries. Let's see, is this public property or is it private? I don't know. Highway's over there. There's a gas station. That's where I got the bus stop. Oh, there goes somebody. These big old logs they cut down. Uh-oh. Well, we got one sign here so far. Road closed. It's the Evergreen State. Evergreen. Alright. Oh, this is where they fixed the road. They put the black tar. I don't know if you guys ever seen them working on the highway or the road. Uh-oh. Let's see what we got here, huh? Uh-oh. Looks like, oh, look at that dude. He's over there peeling out. See him peeling out? What if he got stuck right there? Alright, no motor vehicle. This is for the trailway. Oh. I get out of the way here. Got bicycles going by. Yeah, it says 15 miles an hour over there. The dude's doing less than 10, or about less than 15. Park hours, noon to dusk, April 1st to June 30th. What? Oh, yeah, way closer here. Okay. Lots of people using the trail. Uh-oh. It's a nice paved little exercise trail. It's called the Loop Trail. Here comes a vehicle from way down far. Oh, they're working on the asphalt. There's a sign. Okay. Yeah, do not enter. Wrong way. Severe tire damage will occur. So, there is security here. Right. Okay. Let's go over here. Oh, is this something about visitors? I don't know who will be visiting today. I just don't know. I'll just go up and read these signs. Okay, so that's 24-hour surveillance. Security notice. Okay.
Hello.
We got cameras. Oh. Hello.
How are you?
Oh, today's a beautiful day.
It is.
Yep. So, this is not an open road. I see a lot of stop signs, caution. Like, be careful. So you have to be a visitor to come down this road?
No, this is only for employees.
Oh, only for employees. Okay.
Yes.
All right. All right. Everything looks good. You have a nice day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
All right. Cool guy. Cool guy. All right. So let's continue on. Yeah, they got cameras right there. Yeah, let's continue on, and we shall. Oh, okay, so this is for the dam. See power lines. There's a dam over there. At the end of this road. Anyways. Here comes a guy. I'll load it up. Trying not to shake.